There's nothing over there. Goaty.
Maybe we can go. Huh.
Adamant?
Oh, oh.
I swear, if I see a dead panda under this fucking ship, bruh.
No way.
Bro, look at her head.
Oh my fucking god.
See it? Like it's the first thing that shows up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit! Oh shit!
I see him too. I came from this way.
No!
Dude, what a bitch!
He's camping us.
This way, this way, this way.
Can't
Make sure you look behind.
Where?
Okay.
Take Hannah, not me. Take Hannah, I love it. I got you.
Alright.
Holy
Alright, so
fuck!
apparatus. Well, we'll pick it up
Good
on
luck,
the way
soldiers.
out.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Ah!
That's block.
There's a bitch on me.
How did you do that to you? Every
Leave me alone. Oh no.
There's two of them on you.
There's two on me? Oh no, I'm gonna start flying. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, they're dropping.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh.
How am I supposed to help you? Where'd you go? Oh my god.
Oh no, not again! Not again! Not again! Please! Please! Please!
How do
Did that reach? Oh no.
Yeah, Hannah's dead. Hannah's
Oh,
dead.
it reached? Oh.
Yeah, there's another. Wait, there's another turn. There's another turn.
Oh shit! Oh, there's a turn in there alive.
Oh.
I'm alive, I'm alive. Bad idea, but I'm with you.
I'll watch. I'll watch from a distance.
Why am I at 60 health? Let's go back to the ship.
Where's the giant? There's a giant! Wait, I think he's dead!
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Nick, get in! Nick, get in!
I'm on. Start it.
Start it!
Oh my god. Oh, I almost died. I was at like 7 health.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude. I was looking at the missiles, I was like, man, this ain't shit. One of them came toward me and
He
blasted toward the ship. I was
launched.
like, get in, I gotta get in.
Hey, you guys wanna go again?
God.
Oh.
I'm down. I died too early.
Yeah, Hannah died too. Let's go, let's go.
They're all going to stay with you. Oh shit.
Bro, what a
They
creepy
put
Aw.
modded like
spot
they
for her to
do. When we did
fucking
mods. We did
spawn.
mod when me, you, and Katie played. It was
What
modding
the
for like
fuck?
convenience of flashlight spots and this and that, and sometimes here it's mods.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And there she goes.
She was so scared. Guys, where are you?
Zelda, come here.
Uh,
Follow the sound of my voice. My
uh,
nigga.
wait, I had other, I had,
Are you chilling?
I'm gonna walk for now. There's a worm. Uh-oh. I'm good.
Let's get the fuck on.
Oh, they're going. I see one moving. I see one moving.
What the fuck they finna do?
Bro.
No, I'm not gonna shove the.
Huh?
Oh.
To me for the first time earlier. Oh.
Oh god!
Or she has two. Hey, hold spacebar. Hold spacebar again.
I would stay in this room if I were you, because if you fly above a railing, you're fucked.
Oh yeah, true.
Oh, Slenderman room. Oh, one's on my head.
Well,
Titty.
Get off of him.
Oh fuck.
damn it!
This bitch needs to die.
Oh, hi Butler. Why are you here?
Where? Oh, hello, sir. Hello, kind sir.
Don't get too close to him, he'll start stabbing you.
Will he?
Yeah, find out.
Like he's
Kill him! We need to find him to kill him.
If you're one-on-one with him, he'll start fucking stabbing you.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Alexis!
He's cleaning.
Alright, so. What the fuck?
Don't hit him. Don't hit him.
Bro,
No,
Don't hit
What is
him.
that?
Kill the butler. Kill the butler.
What the fuck
Actually,
is
yeah,
that?
go kill him. Go kill
Kill
him.
John
Go kill him.
Lennon.
Kill John Lennon. Kill John Lennon.
Oh shit!
Oh no. Yo, he started going fucking crazy. Leave me alone. Hey! Hey, did you? Oh, fuck you. Hey, did you guys? Hey, there's a robot. Ah! Ah! I feel like Hannah. Oh, there's people alive. Oh no, there's another one over there. Please get off of me. Thank you. Uh-oh. Huh. Wait, for real? Oh. Bro died at the entrance. Oh shit. No shit. Don't tell me you died to the worm. Alright. Yeah, and then you can jump back on.
Bring it.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
It sees me. Oh my god.
He's one of us.
It sees me.
Yeah. We just gotta attract it to the front. Yeah, right there. Perfect.
What?
Oh, damn.
Nope.
Bro, you see all the baboon hogs? I think are they chasing it?
They might be,
I don't know anymore, actually.
I don't
My hands
like
are getting
this.
sweaty. My hands are getting sweaty, bro.
she's running the right
Does she
way.
know where the fuck she's going?
Yeah,
Fuck,
she's
can
going
Can
the right
someone
way.
get her?
Can someone hurry
We're
up?
distracting the
She's on
giant.
her way. I don't know what she's doing.
She's almost here.
Oh.
Oh, she's here.
Fuck.
This way.
Fuck, This way. Oh.
Is she in?
Hurry.
She in? Oh.
Well, she's not. She's on the mic close enough. Hurry up.
Okay.
Brother, get inside the ship.
Get in.
Get in.
What are you doing?
She's not getting
Someone's
inside the
dead.
door.
Okay, you can
Found
leave.
it now.
You can leave. You can leave.
Okay.
You can
We
leave.
can leave. That's unfortunate.
R.I.P. Alexis.
What were you doing that whole time? They were hiding it forever and you walked into it. Don't talk yet. Wait until you're alive again. No one can hear you.
Bro, I'm right here. Turn around. Turn around. I like how Roman started singing and Hannah still didn't turn around.
Oh, my bad.
Brother did not want to turn around.
There's the apparatus.
Oh, there's a spider.
Man, fuck him! Oh fuck, he started moving.
Huh. The garage door went down on someone.
Oz.
Wait.
Pause.
Oh, to be a garage door.
Where you at?
Wait, there's a thumper. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
What?
There's a thumper! There's a thumper that way! There's a thumper that way!
Can I kill it?
Oh, you can
No,
try.
nigga.
Where are you going?
I mean, it was like pretty far down. It was pretty deep down, but I didn't want to like go, you know?
There's nothing here, but
That's
Look,
really
Hannah,
interesting.
come here. Hannah,
Alright.
come here.
I guess we gotta go.
There's nothing.
I'm making a dumb joke.
Come hither. Wait, hold on. I want to go
Get
this too.
out.
Guys, you guys want to go? Nate, you want to go fuck that guy up?
Sure.
That.
Okay, go this way.
Test my strengths.
Oh,
Don't go!
there's
It's right there! It's right there!
I hear him.
Where
Okay,
is
go
it?
straight and then go left.
Come at me, bitch. Oh, wait.
Wait, there's a spider too.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh no.
Are they yet?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Go.
You ain't gotta tell me twice.
Everyone get inside. Everyone get inside. Everyone get inside.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Up in here. Up in here.
Y'all good?
Oh yeah, I forgot she died. Lamau.
Guys.
Yeah, I got her.
Okay, well that's not the problem.
Oh,
That's not the problem.
Leroy Jenkins.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Leave Alexis.
Don't go back inside.
Levis, do you want to take Alexis?
How heavy are you?
61.
Drop her, drop her, drop her, drop her. Oh my god. I'm so locked in right now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alexis, I got you.
Oh, do I start it?
Yeah, just do it, just do it, just do it. I'm sorry, Hannah, if you're...
Ah, they're so loud and creepy.
Wait, she's alive!
No! No! She was alive! No! I asked you! You
I'm
just
sorry,
said
I didn't think that she'd be alive. Oh wait, she died.
Oh, she died at the end.
But she might have died at the end. I don't
Yeah.
know. Oh, fuck, I'm sorry, Hannah. I'm so sorry. I don't know if you're alive or not.
Close.
Fuck, I'm so sorry. La playa. Oh no. Oh no, guys. She's scared of the loop bug. Oh shit! She's gonna fucking die.
Oh
Where?
my god.
Freddy's over there.
Oh, Freddy's coming! Freddy's coming! Look at Alexis!
Alexis, run. Alexis! Go the other way! Go the other way!
I can't get back up.
Oh no.
Yeah, jump on that, jump on that, jump on that.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
She's looking at
Oh my god.
Stop looking at him!
Am I supposed to look at him or not look at
Oh
him?
no.
No, 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 no,
Oh.
I do Freddy.
The blood, look at the blood!
Wait, is this her blood, bro? This is new.
no. That's crazy.
Oh, Bracken took her body.
Yeah.
We teleport body. Oh!
Bracken about to take our asses in a second. Oh my god.
That's not an exit over there though. We gotta go this way.
Yeah, you guys have to go
You can
that
go
way.
around, you can go
I know.
around.
We gotta go like through the door over there.
And do it,
Jump
follow
up
Roman.
here,
Yeah.
jump up here.
Oh, he's still right
Oh, I
there.
see him. I'm looking at him too
Go
much.
on the ramp. Go up the stairs.
He's still there. Bro's
Fuck,
Fuck,
camping.
he's still down there. Fucking dickhead.
There's no other way over here.
Back up! Back up! Back up! Can he reach me over here?
I'm good.
Oh
Get
my
over
god,
here.
please
No,
don't.
Roman,
Roman, just run. Roman, just
Oh
run.
my fucking god. Wait, they broke his
Just run.
ankles.
Yeah,
They broke his fucking
yeah. Jump towards me.
ankles.
Jump towards me.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Oh my god.
he's behind us
I
now.
don't know where this is at.
Yeah, Roman, you
This
gotta
guy
lead
doesn't
the
think
way.
this is the right way. We went the wrong way.
No, it was
I don't
this
know,
way.
man.
Dead end.
It's to the
No
right. It's to the
way.
right. I swear.
Freddy's
Oh,
right
it is to
there.
the right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, he's.
Your sacrifice will be great.
Yeah.
The door's
Dude,
right
it's-
there.
It's
Hey,
so
Jack.
fit. No, Nico, wait!
Roman.
No,
It's so
Nate,
fitting
come
that
back. Why would
that you
leave
died
me?
to Freddy with your fucking profile picture.
Yeah.
Is he still right there?
Dude,
I don't see him.
Five Nights at Freddy, but in Lethal
We all
Company.
died to Freddy.
The bees.
I don't know where the exit
Careful of
is,
the-
so.
Careful of the bees.
Oh,
yeah.
the bee. Oh, Roman got it.
I'm glad that Roman and I are on the same page.
Oh.
Wait,
Oh.
Fuck, there's a giant like fucking bear.
It's on me, it's on me.
It's going for Nate.
bro loves like sacrificing himself for some reason. Oh,
Fuck.
Bye, Nate.
Where's my bag?
Miwa, useless Miwa,
I
no.
really hope. Did I stall enough time for Roman? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
He's on the
God.
side.
Holy fuck. Oh, there.
Well,
Big fella.
Why'd you get flung like that?
Why are you hanging?
Look at him.
Hang yourself.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
Fucking noose.
yep.
Oh, damn! Alright.
Great round, guys. Great round. That was,
shit.
So much.
Guys! Love it, these help! Oh no. Love it, these help! Love it, these help! Guys?
Hello?
Guys, I've been yelling that I needed help.
Babe, run the other way. Babe, jump over him. Get up here.
I'm running.
Babe, keep running. He's aggravating.
Guys?
So loud.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck?
Who's
Bro,
there?
I was like fighting for my life against a slime, and then I just hear you guys all like, oh no. Oh no, Hannah.
I was.
Oh no.
Oh no.
So I found the exit.
Yes.
Oh no, yes, he needs to leave.
Dude,
He
Roman,
needs to leave.
go. Leave, just leave. Just...
Please, just go. Vote, vote.
I'm so
Hold
mad
right
about
click.
that battle sheet.
Hold right click.
Yeah, I voted.
There's a fucking
Oh, there's a
giant.
giant. Oh,
There's no
fuck.
fucking way.
Wait, if I do it too early,
Oh no.
Yeah,
I'll have time.
Just don't
Oh,
hold
just wait,
it.
just wait,
I'll
just wait,
hold
just
it.
wait.
I'll hold it until he's like running over.
Uh oh. It'd be
Oh,
really
that's
bad if he
odd.
turned around and looked at him. Look at him, he's like,
Oh my
bro. Bro. Bro.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Blind ass.
Should I tell him that there's a fire exit if he goes in
No, no,
to
no,
the
no.
left? Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, oh, no.
Bitch.
Maybe you should tell him. You can tell him.
All in favor of telling him?
Aye.
Yeah, go
Hi.
for it. It's up to him.
That.
Fire exits inside to the left. See what he does with that information.
Go, 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 go.
Yep.
Bro, you use that information.
Seth next. Alright. And I think that's everybody.
Alright.
Yeah, I think so.
Gang's all here.
He's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep, yep. Good run, guys.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Oh. Whoa, it's kind of going
Oh
crazy.
yeah, there's more guitar? Oh hell yeah.
Good kind
Yeah.
of
Hit it! Uh. What? What?
The head lifts. Yeah. What?
Bitch!
What? What?